I got here a 2015 Toyota Camry. Customer complaint, it's a no crank. Now, I don't know what has been going on. They ripped this whole thing apart. Said there was no power to the relay. I don't know. I'm just going to start from scratch. But I'm in the middle of doing a scan. See, I try to crank it. Absolutely nothing happens. Now, there is an aftermarket remote start. Shut these lights off. There is an aftermarket remote start. Vehicle failure. Okay, so this has to be because if you look right over here, there is the remote start is tapped into the OBD. I'm gonna unplug it. Let's just see now if it starts. Still doesn't start. Okay, so I'm gonna plug my scan tool directly into the car because I'm having issues. Let's do reconnect. Go back. Let's try this again. There we go. Now I read it. Others. I have to see how this thing is wired. If they hardwired it to the ignition, then I would want to just cut that out and put it back to stock. But it does look like they used a jumper harness. Let me just do a full scan, see what shows up, what doesn't. We have no count to the ECM. Alright, forget it. I gotta get this remote start out. So I have come to that, but not the OVD. Yeah, we have no count to like anything. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I gotta take this cover off. Okay, now we just got communication. No, we didn't. Okay, so all right, looking at this, set the whole thing here. We have no comm. Startability malfunction. I gotta get this remote starter out of here, or at least see that when I touch here, it beeps. Yeah, right here. I'm touching right here. It beeps every time. Okay, you see that? That's just a bad connection in this remote start. If I hold this here, maybe now it'll start. And it does. Alright, that was simple. There's a bad connection right over here. If I let go, it won't start. See, it won't start. Alright, I gotta take this cover off and see where this is connected. Here we go. If anyone has any ideas, I'm working on the perfect diagnostic tote, just like to bring with me initially. So this is what I have for now, but I'm open for any ideas. Okay. Okay, what do we got here? So we have this connector. It's this connector right here. Yeah, there's the aftermarket connector. Okay, so where's this supposed to go to? This is supposed to go to right here in the ignition switch. See that? And that plugs straight in. Let's lock this. And this car starts and runs. Gotta love it. I don't understand how these, what company is this? CM, no idea. Made in Vietnam. Alright, just another, you know, bad aftermarket device. Now, it's somewhere in this connection right here. So really, they could just get a new harness and this thing should work. But I would probably recommend getting a better brand. But, alright, on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Alright, I just sprayed this up with Deoxit. And now, the car's running. If I shake it, nothing's happening. So, the shop owner said I should just leave it like this. Put it back together. And he'll tell the customer, and if it happens again, he'll recommend the new harness. Let's hope the Deoxit does its job. And I gotta put this car back together, or at least the parts I took apart. So I'm gonna put a new zip tie right here. And let me just test to make sure the remote start works. Oh, it's CompuStar. That's funny. I have a friend that does remote starters, and he told me that CompuStar never fails. I'm not sure how this thing's supposed to work.